Hi there! Come and take a look around CGP RevisionHub for GCSE Science. CGP RevisionHub's there to use alongside your book. There's lots of QR codes throughout the book which link to your online revision. Or you can go straight to CGP RevisionHub through the CGP website. In the hub, there are quick quizzes which test you on each page. They're a great way to practice what you know. And don't worry about any wrong answers. Just go to your mistakes quiz to try them again. Have a go at a revision summary test if you're feeling confident in a topic. These have more challenging questions to see how well you really know your stuff. If you can do them all, you can be sure you've covered everything. There are lots of handy video explanations which go over all the tricky bits, and there are video solutions to help you work through the questions in your book. You can download extra useful bits like answers and formula sheets right here, and we've also put some top revision tips in the How to Revise page. And of course, if you want to read your book online, it's right here. So grab your book now to get all this brilliant science revision for yourself, and we'll deliver it the next working day.